Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the Garmin Extreme 2X Solar. So, for this action, you need to press the control light button for about 2 seconds. And now you need to choose power off and press the GPS button. As you can see, the watch is now off, and to turn it on, you just need to press the control light button for about 2 seconds. Now the watch is going to turn on. As you can see, the Garmin is now on. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Bye.